Good morning team Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So guys, I'm not sure, but for those who don't know, I'm kinda in a construction industry, and for those who in a construction, you know, say anytime you're working on like a new era or something like that, you like go, you know, scope out the area before you start work, or whilst you're at work you scope out the area so you kinda have an idea what is around you. Now, I'm not sure, based on the title of this video, I can investigate, and if a video title as how it is, well, my investigation is confirmed. But guys, you know what going now with the what them say, the cult leader and all of them like a thing that way Ismash not really involved in it. But for anything I do with housing, I guess we can post it on my channel, anything real estate wise. But take a look at this. I am not sure, but as you can see, I'm gonna bring up another image on the screen. That house looks awfully familiar. Up on the hill. Now, based on the image that is on screen right now, as the image that is the one that I'm zooming into, it look like actually the leader's house, the quote-unquote cult leader. Curiosity kills the cat, they say, but I'm kind of curious, and I don't know if this is appropriate for my channel, but I'm going to go over there and have a up close and personal look and really see what really are going on. As truth be told, I know nothing. I never yet do any readings or dive into a video or anything like that in regards to this person, so I don't know much about it. But just in case you guys curious whether or not the house is what it is online, I'm going over there up front and in person to have you guys have a, you know, instead of image, a video of what is actually there. So I have no access to the property, however it no cause no harm for stay from out the road and really see what's going on. So yeah guys, I have no business telling you guys where this property is, as I'm just an independent party minding my own business. So guys, welcome to the property. This is as far as we can show you guys, and as I say, I think I find it. I think this is it. However, I have no access, as I'm telling you guys. I'm not sure. Comment down if I'm wrong, if I actually have the right house or wrong house. Oh no, guys. Feels a little bit weird being up here, just like this, filming someone's house. It doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't feel right, but I guess some of you guys wanted to know whether or not this is for real, but as stated, I think we'll find it. So yeah guys, there's no need to be staying long, as it is what it is. Most of you guys already know how the property looks, so it is a confirmation on the video that the house actually exists. So yeah guys, I know nothing about this guy and what he does and things like that. I just thought it would be cool to share with you guys the house, even though it isn't anything in depth. As I've heard, everything is under investigation right now, so it's merely impossible. You probably can get in so much trouble if you go over the property or having to do anything much with the property. So we're just passing by to show the team. I know some of them might appreciate it, but new video is coming up tomorrow, as we have done another hidden community, and yeah, I want to show the lady. So if you're new, just hit the subscribe button. You don't know, construction all day every day on the channel here, and yeah. Demolition.
The Linda, that's what I'm going on. That I want to put a down pull in time.
So the aim of reuse these ply. But as you can see, termite have a feast.
I want to get it. I need to go and get it. Yeah.
You have no come and contact me like your future, your grandson, your son attack you know.
Don't make it a jump up. Oh. But yeah, put yeah, turn on man again. Ale, put those good roof man. Or the roof man come on.
God, they new. Like they new. Yeah, cause like Montego have everything. Yeah, so I never hear nobody really complain about Montego. Nah, I go lie.
No. Look here. Masa mana bila man? No, there's enough pass up on money.
They're not. Oh. Why is that so? Why is that so? Water issue. Oh. I carry him down same thing. Hurricane came to blow everything down. Damn, son.
Right now, you say, you're 60th member of parliament. Take it. That's how you start. You start a face of face.